Watch this video and see exactly what one app did. Both the video editing, both the AI creation, and both the lip syncing. Just watch as this AI app did everything.
My name is Zatra. I am an AI avatar created with 100% free AI tool. You want a realistic AI avatar like me? Then watch to the end of this video. You don't need any specific tool or video editing knowledge. Let me show you just one app that does it all.
Isn't this just amazing? Yes, so let me show you how I did that. Now you just need to come to this app. This app is already on my WhatsApp channel. You can just join the WhatsApp channel using the link I'm going to be dropping in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment, and they're going to be able to create these AI avatars, do lip syncing or lip sync, and also you're going to create videos, edit them with just one app that does it all. So once you are here, you're going to come here and you're going to click on this place that shows talking photos. When you click on this talking photos, you have a lot of options to choose from. So you're going to just scroll up till you see the one that suits you. If you do not see anyone here that suits your video, just come down here and click on this avatar, this place that shows avatar here. Come down here and click on that avatar, and once you click on it, you're going to see different options just like this. You can search to look for the one you actually want. You can use this particular one if you have a product you want to talk about and you want to show something like an image or a flyer behind the product. You can use this particular one. You can also use this. There are so many you can use. You click on the see all to see other options that you can select from, and just scroll till you see what you want. You can also search. You can do a new template and all that. So let me look for one that suits me and I'll get back to the video. Since I created one using a female character prior to now, let's now create one using a male avatar. So I just clicked on this particular male avatar and then
experience live demos of the hottest electronic gadgets on our thrilling live streams. Gain insider knowledge, snag exclusive deals, and engage with us in real time. Join now.
Once you're satisfied with the avatar or the template you want to use, you just come down here and you click on create video, and it's going to load this to the editing platform. Now saying goodbye to boring AI video automation that just creates videos that you just use this only the head of the avatar that is making a movement and blinking. This particular app does it all. So once it loads just as such, it's going to bring you here. If you have watched my video to this point and not yet subscribed, do me a very big favor to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up, comment on my videos as many times as possible, and I will be glad to respond. Ask me questions in the comment section and I will be glad to respond to them. This is now the editing dashboard, so you can come here and add more clips if you want to add more clips, and I'm going to be sharing with you a secret on the WhatsApp channel on how to keep having a lifetime access to this app. This app is a pro version that the features has already been taken off for you. All you need to do is just join the WhatsApp channel and you have access to this app, and your video automations for your business or your brand is going to be going from a 0 level to a 100% perfect unique level. Oh yes, you can come here and change the template if you want to change the template. You can also change this background if you want to change this background. If you want more background, let's say you already created a flyer on, let's say, Canva or on any other flyer generating app, then you can come here and upload that and create and change that. Then you can also come here and change the avatar if you want. Then do a voiceover if you want to say something while the avatar is making his own statement. You can go ahead and do that. Then you can also come here, just scroll this way, and you can change the text. You can add text text to this just like this. Then you can also add stickers and you can add background music. Like I said, this is one AI app, AI tool, AI software on your smartphone that does it all. You don't need any prior editing knowledge, you don't need any special or paid video editing software. Now you just need to come down here and you're going to click and type what you want the AI avatar to say. I already have a script. I'm just going to come here and I'm going to select all, and then I pasted the text I wanted the AI avatar to say. Just see here, I said, hey mate, this is one AI tool that does it all. It creates a realistic avatar like me. It creates perfect lip syncing. It also has a video editing platform where you can edit your videos. Another beautiful thing is that it's 100% free. Oh, wait, mate, that's not all. You can do all this on just your smartphone. For those of you that are into content that you need to translate into different languages, all you need to do is just to come down here after pasting the write-up or what you want the avatar to say. You come down here and click on translate. This avatar app, this AI app, this AI software does it all. Then you can also record your own voice if you want to speak like you. Now, because I'm creating a male character and I am a female, that's the reason why I'm not going to be recording my voice. Then once you're satisfied with what that's generated, you come down here and you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can allow the caption to reflect in the video just like this, or you come here, you click on this to remove the caption. Then if you now look down here, since I am not trying to promote any product, I'm going to change the background. If I click on this background, it's going to pop up different backgrounds for me. I can decide to choose any of these backgrounds, or I can decide to pick one from my gallery using these options here. So if you have a background from a gallery, you can go ahead and pick that, but let me just pick one that suits this guy here and what it's saying, and I'm going to be using that background. Let me pick the sitting room background, and it's going to look just like so. And then I'm going to click on this to mark it. Then I can go ahead to remove this. You can remove this or edit this template. Just click on it to remove it. Then you can come down here and you can do a voiceover if you want the avatar, if you want someone to be speaking while the avatar is talking, or you can swipe through all these portions here, and then you can also add a text and a sticker. So let's say I want to add a text. Let me write have you subscribed as a text. Have you subscribed just like so? Then I can edit that text. I can decide to edit the style of that text. I just click on the style. I can change the background so by clicking on fill, just play around with this. You can outline it. Let me outline it to be black. Let me fill it so that it has a background, something like this. And I'm going to, when I'm satisfied with it, I'm just going to move it up here just like so. Yes. So then if I'm satisfied with have you subscribed, let me add something else to this text. I can still go ahead and add background music by clicking here to add background music if I want, but I think I'm okay with this text. Now when you are typing, you're going to be noticing that there's going to be a time frame for your text. You see the time frame here that shows the time frame that your avatar is going to use to say whatever you type. If you're also recording, you're going to see a time frame. Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on export. You can preview it. If you preview it, the avatar is not going to talk while you're previewing it. This after exporting the video, that's when the avatar is going to talk. So if you've watched my video to this point and not yet subscribed, please do me a very big favor and subscribe to the channel. There is also an option for you to change the voice if you want, but I'm not going to do all that. And I'm just going to come here and click on export, and it's going to export this video for me in a few minutes. You're going to see it here that it says generating. So you're going to wait for it to generate. You wait for this video to be generated, and once it's generated, you're going to play it and save it. It just takes a few minutes. Now if you come to the WhatsApp channel, I'm going to show you a trick around this app so that you have access to this premium membership, this lifetime package forever. Yes, and you can do anything you want to do, any content you want to create with this app. And this is just one app, one tool that does the job for you perfectly. You don't have to start getting avatars on the source, then come here to look for how to do your voiceovers or how to lip sync, and then come to another app to do your video creation. No. Now I'm going to show you how to remove. You're going to notice a little watermarks. If you watch my first video, you know already how to remove the watermarks on this video, but if you don't know how to, I'm going to show you a little trick on how to remove the avatar on this video. Ladies and gents, our video has been created, so I'm just going to come here now to play this video so that you can see for yourself. So I just click on it to play it, and it's going to load and play.
Mates, this is one AI tool that does it all. It creates a realistic avatar like me. It creates perfect lip syncing. It also has a video editing platform where you can edit your videos. Another beautiful thing is that it's 100% free. Oh wait mates, that's not all. You can do all these on just your smartphone.
See how perfect and how realistic it is with the hand movement. So look at the little watermarks here. We're going to remove that in just a second. So you just come here, you make sure you save your video. You save it so that it's automatically saved on your device. It will get downloaded on your device, and then we are going to remove the watermarks shortly. This is the app where you're going to remove your video watermarks. You just come here, you click on remove watermarks, and it looks just like this. You're going to see the videos I've created using this app. I've created this one and this one. I'm going to come here and click on this particular one, and then I'm going to use my finger to highlight the watermarks. Then I'm going to come here and click on export just like so, and it's going to automatically remove the watermarks. But before then, you want to select your video ratio, and I want a full HD ratio, and it's going to remove the watermarks. It can also run in the background, that is, you can go ahead and do other things with your device while it's working, and once it's through, it's just send a notification that I've removed the background for you. So it has successfully saved my video, and I'm going to just cancel this pop-up, and I'll play so that you can see.
Hey mates, this is
You can notice that the watermark is no longer here, so you can go ahead and add your own logo, your own sticker to this particular video.
one AI tool that does it all. It creates a realistic avatar like me. It creates perfect lip syncing. It also has a video editing platform where you can edit your videos. Another beautiful thing is that it's 100% free. Oh wait mates, that's not all. You can do all these on just your smartphone.
I did this in the ratio 9:16. This video aspect or ratio is for, like, you want to create Facebook reels or Instagram reels, YouTube short, TikTok videos. This is perfect. If you want to do the normal YouTube video, you can also create that using that first app I showed you. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Remember to join the WhatsApp channel to get access to this app for free, and you can use on your smartphone. See you in that subsequent video. Bye.